All right, people, we are on the JETSON Bolt Pro, the Pro Edition, I like to call it, and we're checking her out. We're doing a little bit of testing today, okay? So first, we're gonna do a little bit of hill testing. Hello. We're gonna do a little bit of hill testing, and we're gonna see what that's all about, all right? So in a second here, we're gonna do throttle only from a dead stop, and we're gonna try to go up like a 6% grade, okay? And then it's gonna flatten out, and then we're gonna go up to like an 8% grade, okay? The whole distance of this is about 100 yards, 150 yards, okay? So we're at a dead stop, go. Throttle only, and I don't know if we're gonna make it. No, we're not. So you gotta like pedal, you gotta give it pedal and throttle. I like to call it throttling, to be able to do this. And if I pedal and throttle, I can do it pretty easily. Now, for some reason, when you pedal, you get one speed. When you throttle, you get another speed. But when you pedal and throttle, hence throttle, you get a lot better speed. So for some reason, if you do both of them at the same time, which doesn't seem logical, but maybe there's something I'm missing, you get a lot more power. So I'm going up this is a pretty steep hill here. This is like 8% grade. And I'm working, you know, but I'm using pedaling and the throttle at the same time, and I made it happen. See? So that's hill climbing for you. Let's try another one over here. So I know when you're buying a bike, you know, most people don't live in flat neighborhoods, and you got to go up hills. And wouldn't it be nice if you knew if you could make it or not, right? So let's say you're chasing your dog, because God forbid it got loose, and it's going up a 4% grade, and you're like, oh my God, am I gonna be able to make it? Well, if you're throttling, you probably can, you know? But I get the feeling that there's a limit to how steep you can go, right? So this is also an 8% grade, but it's consistent. That one we did a minute ago was like 4%, and then it became 6, and then 8. This is 8 from the very beginning. And we're gonna start at a dead stop, and we're gonna see what we can do. Now again, this bike only has one gear and one pedal assist level, so I don't have a lot of variation here, a lot of, you know, options. Okay, we're at a dead stop. This is like probably an 8% grade, and it's probably 150 yards, okay? Dead stop, and we're doing pedal. We're just gonna do pedal assist, no throttle, no throttling, okay? And, you know, I'm struggling. But if I do pedal assist and throttle, yeah, then that's something. I don't know. It is what it is. So we're throttling, and yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I don't know if I'm burning the motor, but this is what's happening, you know? We're throttling, so that's throttle and pedaling at the same time. And yeah, we're going pretty fast. You know, we're probably going about 8 miles an hour. Not bad. Not bad at all. Right? So, pretty cool. Better than I thought it would do, you know? So now, we're gonna put my handy dandy little speedometer. I know it's speedometer, I like to call it speedometer. And we're going to see what kind of speeds we get. Okay? So now, we're gonna hit that same hill, but we're gonna try to hit it with a little bit of momentum. Let's see if we can get up it, okay? So we're gonna try to hit it at maybe 12 miles an hour and see if we can just carry that up the hill, throttle only, okay? So let's get to the bottom. Needless to say, going down pretty fast. I feel stable on this thing, you know? It's not wobbly, it's pretty sturdy. It's a stable bike, you know? All right, so now we're gonna get going fast here in a minute. All things relative, fast on this thing is about 14 miles an hour. Oh, that guy's doing, that is annoying me. Okay, here we go. I'm giving it pedal assist and throttle just to get going fast. And then we're gonna hit it and try to stay throttle only. Ready? Throttle only. Let's see if we can make it. You see my speedometer. It's at 12. Let's going to 11. Again, 8% grade. Throttle only right now. Might have to meander, you know? If I meander, can I make it? Because if I don't meander right now, people, it's dead. It's stopping. So we're gonna try to meander and see if we can make it. Now, you see that I'm like crawling at a spry 3 miles an hour. So meandering, we're making it. So you can tell if I go straight up, it's still doing okay. It would have stopped down there. Maybe it got a little bit less steep up here. But now we're just going straight up and we're hitting 4 miles an hour. Not bad. I mean, for a little bike like this, and I'm 210 pounds, you know? So, not bad. So, anyhow, there you have that.